herbal charcoal tooth powder formula that works. Do you know that charcoal acts as a binder to colors from coffee and tea? Do you also know that charcoal can bind with bacterial toxins and free your tooth or teeth from any form of streptococcus mutans? Join me as we prepare this charcoal natural tooth powder formula for your teeth detoxification. To do that, I will measure 10 grams of calcium carbonate, my abrasive. Okay, this is exactly 10 grams of calcium carbonate. Next, I will measure 5 grams of baking soda. Next, I will measure 2 grams of kaolin. Next, I will measure sodium cocoa glutamate, my foaming agent, 5 grams. Lastly, I will measure 1 gram of activated charcoal. Now, I will blend this together. Here is our activated charcoal herbal detox tooth powder. I will further sieve this to get it mixed the more. You can give this a trial at home. Within 2 minutes, you will have your charcoal detox tooth powder. If this is helpful, like and subscribe to enable those in need of it to see it. Thank you.